Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the 3 things you should know about insuring a side-by-side. So first, you want to make sure you've got proper coverage for it. If you've bought a brand new side-by-side, you can do agreed value, extra cash value, or replacement costs, which I've talked about in previous videos. Again, agreed value is choosing the amount you'd want for that side-by-side. Extra cash value is taking what it's worth the day of the loss, and replacement cost is replacing it for what you paid for it when you purchased it. The second thing is on the liability piece. Now this is a big one that a lot of people miss because you'll buy a policy and it's not getting into the weeds of it, but you can buy liability coverage for off-road use only, or you can buy liability coverage for on the road. And there's a big difference in the premium and also how you're covered when you're driving that. So it's important to know that your policy is covered for on-road use if you're using it on-road. We've seen some major accidents with side-by-sides on the road, and you just want to make sure that you have talked to your agent about making sure it is covered for liability on the road, because there is a big difference in premium, but there's also a big difference on how that will pay out because they can exclude or deny coverage if you haven't chosen that one you're using on the road. The third thing that you want to make sure of is medical payments. Medical payments are for the passengers that are in your vehicle. So liabilities, if you cause some harm, medical payments for people that are in your car. Typically you can choose $5,000 or $10,000, but it's nice because you hear those people where they fell out of a side-by-side or they're on a four-wheeler and rolled off and broke their arm. That's going to help their medical bills on that front. So those are the 3 things you want to make sure you've got covered properly on that side-by-side. If you've got questions, feel free to reach out to us.